Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be focusing on my 2005 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Hasn't been on the channel for quite a while because it's been running, it's been driving, it's been very reliable, and it's been doing everything I need, which is basically run errands and more specifically go get my kids. And it's been great. Fuel economy could be better, but I mean, it's a Jeep. What do you expect? But the one thing I haven't been a massive fan of is the soft top. Now, I've been really happy with the soft top. I've taken it down a couple of times. It's nice. The problem I have with it is I really worry about leaving this Jeep at stores or when I go out or anything. Even going to the fuel station and running in to pick up some drinks real quick, I worry about how easy this is to get into. So, last night I was actually able to find an LJ hardtop, a factory hardtop, and it's only like 20 minutes away from my house, which is incredible, and the price is right, and it's black. So what I thought would be fun to do is we are going to compare the decibel level of the noise inside the cabin with the soft top and then with the hard top, and I'm going to give you my impressions and which one I prefer. I can almost guarantee you the hard top will be quieter, but I really like how easy it was to take down the soft top. So what we're actually going to do right now is take the Wrangler out for a quick drive, see how loud it is with the soft top, then we're going to bring it back into the shop again, and we're going to start tearing apart the soft top. So let's go for a drive. Okay, this is about 35 miles per hour. So it looks like we're around 73 decibels. Now we're going to do 55. Alright everyone, so we just got back from the drive, and actually this soft top does a really good job. I mean, it's about 73 decibels at 35 miles per hour, but it's about the same at 55. I'm actually really impressed. I can still hear a lot of air coming in through here and here especially, and I don't know how much my little phone app is picking up on that noise. So what we're going to do now is remove each of the side windows, the back window, and then I'm thinking the easiest way to remove this top is going to be to fold it all the way back and remove all the hardware here and just lift it off. So time lapse. Alright everyone, the soft top came off really quickly. I was kind of surprised. I never really looked at how the hardware of the soft top connected to the Wrangler. It's just connected to a roll bar tab on each side here, and then it's the rest of the soft top itself that clamps it to the Jeep. It's actually a really clever design. Surprisingly easy to remove. Now, the only other two things we need to remove these door surrounds, because these are specifically for that soft top, and two brackets on the trunk here to hold the rear window. Once that's done, I believe the LJ Rubicon will be ready for its new hardtop. So, time lapse. Okay everyone, I have since realized in reviewing the footage that the decibel meter on my phone is junk. Reason for this is it said the amount of decibels for soft top and no top were exactly the same. And there's just, I can tell from my own ears that it's louder. As you can see, we now have a hardtop on. Super excited about it. I've actually been driving around with it for about 2 or 3 days, and I absolutely love it. Now we are going 55 miles per hour with a hardtop. And I can tell you right now, it is just, it's so much quieter. Now, I cannot argue the convenience of the soft top. You know, on a really nice day like this, you pull the side windows off, you undo the latches, and you can fold the whole thing backwards. I mean, that's just super convenient. But the amount of noise that I don't have now, and I'll say the air conditioning feels like it works better. It's easier to hear, it's easier to listen to music. Like, everything about the hardtop just makes life easier. And right now, there's no insulation on it. Like, you can get insulation and make these even better, which I'm actually really considering doing. Leave a comment down below if you'd actually like to see that. But yeah, I'm really impressed with the hardtop. It's heavy. It is significantly heavy. It took 3 of us to put the hardtop on. And oh, by the way, huge shout out. So the morning I went to go get this hardtop, I had a leak in the cooling system and my Jeep immediately started to overheat. I messaged the seller. I said, hey, I need a couple of days to fix it, but I definitely want the hardtop. I have the cash, you know, is it okay if I come in 2 days? And this is why I think the Jeep community is one of the best automotive communities you can be a part of. He messages me back. He says, hey, do you want me to bring the top to you? I immediately messaged back and I think I said, hey, that's fine. What's the delivery fee? Absolutely. Because I mean, these LJ hardtops are hard to come by. Guy messaged me back, says, no worries, no delivery fee. Give me a little bit to get it loaded up. I'll see you in a little while. That is the epitome of an awesome community. I've never met the guy before, ended up talking to him for a while. Super awesome guy. I think he has 5 or 6 LJs, was telling me all the cool stuff he's doing to his. He actually gave me some really great ideas for not only things I want to do to this LJ, but to my TJ as well. So, you know, huge shout out to him. When he watches this video, he knows who I'm talking about. I don't want to say names, obviously, without people's permissions, but, you know, that turned a really not so great morning into an awesome day. And I should have filmed the whole coolant failure, but it actually turned out just to be one of the clamps on the lower heater hose failed, and it was leaking out fluid, and enough fluid had leaked out that air had gotten into the system. All I had to do was fill the system back up with some distilled water, and you know, the Rubicon has been great ever since. So leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, you know what to do. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you have, as always, thank you so much. You guys are awesome, and I will see you in the next video very soon. Goodbye.